hundreds of students took to the streets of Imphal in continuation of their demand to scrap the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The protest turned violent when students from the 6 student organizations, including the Manipur Students Federation, All Manipur Students Union and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, tried to storm into the residence of BJP's Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda.
We want the concrete and sure assurance from our 2 MPs sitting in the Rajya Sabha representing Manipur, that is Mr. Bhavananda Singh and Mary Kom, and we want their assurance that they will stand against this bill and they will fight along with the collective wish of the people, and if they can't fight with the people, then they are morally obliged to design on moral ground. That's what we want.
Police had to use force and mob bombs to disperse the protesters and stop them from barging into the MP's residence. In the scuffle, at least 4 students were injured. MP K. Bhavananda, the lone BJP MP from the state, met the students and assured them of his full support against the bill.
This has been a very enlightening for me because I've just met a few student leaders. They have expressed their views, what they want from my side or from the party side. From my side as an MP, what I can do for the state and for the people of the state. And I'll be doing what they want me to do, which is good for the people of the state.
So it's a strong belief that on 31st of this month, this amendment bill will come again to the Rajya Sabha, sir. What will be your stand in the Rajya Sabha, sir?
I've already expressed, I'll certainly stand for the people of the Manipur, for the state of the people of my state.
The student leaders also informed that now they will hold a protest in Delhi on January 30th.
We the student leader have talked with Mr. Ketrimum Bhavananda, the MP of the Rajya Sabha of Manipur. And then he gave me a very trustful word towards now. Then he will strongly support the movement of the Manipur people now. That's why if they have against, they will not be a better way now. So
he's going to fulfill the people.
Yeah. Actually, he give towards he will do for the people of the Manipur now.
Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda. After the talk, he just talking to the media persons, and this is once again he came to know. He is being again enlightened by the protesting students that they are against the Citizenship Amendment Bill, and being a representative from Manipur, he will try his level best to fulfill the people's aspiration. And Bhavananda also assured that during the Rajya Sabha, he will stand by with the peoples of the Manipur. This is with camera person Premananda. This is Rachanda reporting for Northeast Type from Imphal.